The Thermal Conductivity Calculator. Heat through walls calculates heat transfer through building materials. Let's examine the 4 input fields. First, enter thermal conductivity, K, in watts per meter Kelvin. Common values include 0.05 for insulation materials and 45 for steel. Next, input wall thickness, L, in meters, HU 2014 for example. 0.15 meters represents a 6-inch wall. Third, specify wall area, A, in square meters, HU 2014, a 4 by 5 meter wall equals 20 square meters. Finally, enter temperature difference delta T in degrees Celsius. If indoor temperature is 22 degrees and outdoor is -3, that's a 25-degree difference. For our example, I'll input 10 for thermal conductivity, 10 meters for wall thickness, 10 square meters for wall area, and 10 degrees Celsius temperature difference. Once all variables are set, click Calculate Heat Transfer to generate your results. The calculator returns 3 results. Heat flow rate, Q, equals 100,000 watts, E 2014. This is your instantaneous heat transfer. Heat loss per hour shows 360 hours kilojoules per hour. Daily energy loss indicates 2.40 kilowatt-hours per day, HU 2014, useful for estimating heating costs and energy efficiency. This tool helps engineers optimize insulation design and predict thermal performance. Find the link in the description below.